Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect third-party applications to Apple Health. First of all, you want to open Health application on your device. Now let's tap your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. And now let's go to Privacy section, and here let's open Apps. So from the list, you want to tap on specific third-party application that you want to connect. I will go with this one, for example. And now you can toggle the switches to allow the application to read data from Health and write data to Health. So you can decide which exactly data. And that is basically it, but you can use this turn off all button at the top of your screen to completely disable every single switch. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.